going on, everyone? Today we're finishing up the welding, not the welding table, the machine lathe table. I think we're gonna make it a 33 inches high, so it should put it around 36 total, and that's where the levers and everything will be, right at 36. So let's get to it. We're gonna offset the legs 10 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees, so that way we have a pretty nice solid like structure. Let's get to it. So when I designed this saw device thing, right, doesn't move, it's attached there. I can move it by adjusting this bolt right here. Of course, I think this is the wrong fucking Allen key. No, that's the right one. No, yep. So take this Allen, take this out. Now we can pick this up and move it. I think. We're gonna go 10 degrees. We just stick it back in there like that and call it a day. Get to cutting. All right, so we got the table legs mounted and tacked on. So here it is. They're just tacked on right now. It's not wobbly. It is kind of, but we're gonna fix that with some feet that we're gonna put on there. But I'm not for sure if I'm completely happy with it being open like this. Maybe I'll get some wood, stick it on these, stick it right here, cross like that, and then I have plenty of it. I mean, it's not like it's gonna be that big of a deal. Or just go find some 1-inch plywood or 2 pieces of 1/2 inch or something, and stick it there, and that'll be plenty for the mount on there. And then so we're gonna get the legs finished welded and put some braces on it, and then from there we're just gonna, you know, wait until I feel like there's enough room to put the drill press over here as well. So that's awesome, because that was the plan. Should I put a piece of wood across the entire top of it? Should I? I don't think I like that idea. If I put anything across the top of it, it's probably going to be metal. And I have some. That's only 16 gauge. The minimum I would want is a 1/4 inch plate. Maybe I can talk to my boss. We have some at work. Ooh, could use diamond plate and just. That's an idea. We have plenty of that. But this is what it looks like so far. Really happy with it. So once we get this finished and welded out, moving all this stuff that's over here in the corner, I'm gonna get rid of the table, and then the toolbox I'm gonna try to put under my other desk, my other workbench. I'm probably gonna just chop it, stick it under there. That way it's a little bit better stored, out of the way, free up some room. But other than that, we still gotta finish welding that and put braces across the legs. And then after that, we're pretty much done with the table anyway. Unless I put the plate on top, which I'm debating. Oh, and I still gotta do the feet. Little platforms with the screws in them. Lot to do. Let's get to it. there we go. Got it all welded out, finished. And you can see it's still smoking over here. A lot of this footage is not very good, but what are you gonna do? One-man show, trying to get two-man operation going. So now that it's finished, the next step is to start putting the engine lathe back together. So we'll see how that goes when we start putting that back together. I don't even know if that motor runs yet. I'm sure it does. But there's still a couple parts over there we need to paint and tear down, clean up. Still a couple parts I need to order. But at least now we can put the actual lathe itself on the bench and have a place for it, a home, so we can build off of it instead of trying to build off of the desk, and then whenever we're finished trying to put on the finished table, we're not trying to hulk it up there because the mother is heavy when it's all together. So that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later.